Wait.
Well, there is somebody at the door. Somebody, okay, pause, look at the door. Wait. What are you doing, Logan?
Who's here?
Come here, Logan. Come here.
Nobody's there.
Hey.
Okay, let's
Okay,
go do the
let's
intro.
go.
Come on.
Audrey.
Come on, let's go do the intro.
Logan's back.
Redo! Okay, get into position.
There was a thing at the door.
What is it for?
I don't know. Is it for you, Audrey?
So is that YouTube family?
Oh, we got a message, how cute!
Okay, well, fan mail! What does it say? It says, hi there YouTube family. I love your channel so much. I watch your videos all day. I have hidden a surprise for you all. Go to the fair, order your food to receive my next clue. Yours forever, A?
Oh, cool. So maybe it's a scavenger hunt. Maybe our neighbors left us a scavenger hunt.
Like last time?
Yeah, should we try it?
Who's A though?
Audrey? No, it's not me.
Audrey.
This is not my handwriting.
Well, should we do that instead?
Okay, let's do that.
I guess. Sporadic video idea. Let's go to the fair.
Scavenger hunt.
Let's do it.
Never mind. Okay, get the boys. Let's go.
Jake, Ty.
We made it to the fair, and the clue says that we need to order our food to find the next clue. How do we know what food to order though? How do you, like?
Well, typically when we come to the fair, we only get one thing. So let's go get that one thing.
Tacos? Navajo tacos?
Navajo tacos.
Yes!
Okay,
Let's go.
Okay, so we got our food and nothing happened. There's no other part of the clue, so we just decided to make ourselves a family picnic here amongst the tractors.
Because everywhere else is full. Like there's a lot of people here.
So
When the fair
crowded.
goes on, everyone comes. But I was expecting the person who handed us our food to give us the next clue, but I don't know where the next one is.
Yeah, we got our regular food, Chick-fil-A and
Yep.
Navajo tacos. Nothing.
Yeah, nothing happened. I'm very confused. Like what?
Maybe while we're eating, they'll find us. I don't know.
I don't know. This is weird. Whoa, the sun is
What do you
red.
think? Is that yummy?
It's delicious.
No, wait, the sun is like red. The sun is red.
Oh,
Is that a clue?
yeah, there's a red sun peeking through. It's the sunset. That's normal.
No, but it's like bright red. Like these tractors red.
I
It's
don't
probably
know.
because of all the smoke in the air right now.
That's true. There is a lot of smoke out here.
Wait, guys,
Alrighty.
they might know where we sit.
That's true. They might
We're going
come.
to sit, and then they're gonna have a note on one of the tractors.
Oh, that's, yeah, maybe.
You can look around the tractors.
We don't sit here every year.
We don't sit here. But we got the food that we get.
I don't get it.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay, I'm all done eating. Are you guys done? You ready to go? Okay. Because that was a really good dinner, lunch. I don't know.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah. We need to get ready. Where are we gonna go next?
I don't know, but we
I
gotta
don't
clean
know.
up.
I say maybe let's go look at the animals maybe. I don't know.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
Okay.
Okay, let's get going.
No, I'm still eating.
Hey, wait.
Dad!
What?
Dad!
Oh my gosh.
What?
Okay, I opened everything. There's another
Daddy,
clue,
no.
guys.
Another clue.
I was stuck to your plate.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it says congratulations, you found the next clue. Want more, go where the eagles soar.
What? That was under my plate?
Yeah, it was stuck
Wait, let's
to
see
the
it,
bottom.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't throw my plate away.
So go to where the eagles soar.
Where is that?
The sky,
There's trees.
the mountains. I'm not going to the mountains.
Animals?
Well, if it's here, the only
Has to
thing
be some
I can think of that's here would be over there at the rides. There are some high rides,
Oh,
maybe.
let's go look.
maybe
we can
that?
find something. Yeah, let's go there and look.
I don't know. That
Okay.
that's my best. That's a good guess. That'd
Keep
be my
the
best
clues.
guess.
Don't lose
Okay.
the clues.
Okay, let's head over. Clean up, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys. So we are walking over to the rides, and I was reading the clue again, and it's about like the eagle's nest, and we're over by here by the animals, which is kind of close to all the rides and stuff. I mean, it's a ways off, but we're headed to the rides, and I figured, what if they have like birds here? I don't know. Maybe that has something to
do
do
have
with the
birds
clue.
here.
It says where the eagles soar, so it makes sense.
And
Yeah.
there used to be an eagle or two of them here at this park, so maybe
Yeah.
that's where it's at. If it's not, then we'll head over to the rides.
I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna check and see because I mean, better be safe than sorry. We're already down here, so let's just go look. The big Aww. That's your animal, Audrey.
Well, they're trying to get the other.
Oh, they're trying to eat the food.
They're trying to steal
Us. Us at dinner.
All right, we found where they have the birds. I can't find any eagles, but check out these birds and look for that clue about the eagle flies because we can't quite figure it out. So let's check it out here.
There's a lot of birds here.
That kind of looks like an eagle.
Oh, kind of.
These are pigeons, aren't they? Pigeon?
Looks like it.
I think this could be like our eagle, but it's not.
It's really a pigeon.
It's a bald head.
It's the little brother.
Maybe that's where the clue is. Look for the clue. Look underneath. Ty, look under.
Look underneath to see if there's a clue.
No clue.
No clue? Huh.
All right, let's keep looking.
Are you sure it's not this, Dad?
Whoa. They got the tail feathers.
It's the peacock pigeon, perhaps.
Wow.
Any clues?
I haven't seen any. Only for sale signs.
Let's keep looking.
We can buy one for $10. These aren't quite eagles. Hello, friend. Yeah, not quite. These are chickens, so. I think we're in the wrong spot, Jake. This just doesn't seem right. I mean, I don't think that's an eagle. I mean, maybe. I think it's this bird. No. Yeah. There's Jake's imitating the birds, but they're not making any sound. Just staring at me. It's crazy. Hello, friend. Aww.
He's gonna get me.
Uh-oh. Oh, wait, one made a sound. A chicken laughed at me. Probably because I'm carrying Coke. So there's tons of chickens everywhere, but I don't think this is what we're looking for. I think we need to move on because I'm not seeing any clues. This one reminds me of Fraggle Rock. Do you guys know what Fraggle Rock is?
Let's see if there's a clue underneath. I'm gonna check and see.
No. Comment down below if you know what Fraggle Rock is. It's kind of an older show, so most probably don't know, but these chickens remind me of Fraggle Rock.
Okay, so we just checked the animals and we could not find anything.
No
so
clue.
nothing to do with eagles, nothing. So we're gonna head over to the rides now and see if we can get up high like an eagle.
Yeah. I don't know, I'm kind of worried because roller coasters aren't really my thing, so.
Yeah, I'll be watching from the ground and just making sure there's no clues there because I don't like heights.
Wait, where are we going?
We have to go to the rides to get up high, but not me.
The Ferris wheel?
I don't know if there's one. Let's go.
Okay.
Jake's looking for a clue to see if he can go as high as the eagles. If some will pop out.
Go! Whoa.
Didn't make it to the eagles.
That's okay. That's okay, let's see time.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you said that. Oh yeah, I love video.
Walk on over and walk on in. Passenger street.
Let's see if Ty can make it to the eagles.
Every time. At the
Let's go, Ty.
Not to the eagles, then. That's okay. So I didn't see anything pop out.
Yeah. Both boys did really good, but we didn't see anything. So I don't think that was it.
No.
Yeah.
No clue. No message on that one. Okay, so we found the Ferris wheel. Who's going up on it? Not me.
I'll go.
Look for a clue.
Okay.
Okay, I guess we'll all go and then Mom will stay down here. I hope this goes fast. Yep, we're on the Ferris wheel now and it's Jake and I and then Audrey and Ty are going on their own separate wheel because it's 2 and 2. There's Ty. Audrey! There they are. We're gonna go like all the way up there. I hope you guys can see. So, hey, we gotta look for clues, Jake. We got, okay, so look around. This is kind of freaky because like, it's so long. Ah! What in the world? Okay, where do you think any clues would be? I don't know. See any? Guys, we found something. We found the notes. Yeah, it was in mine and Jake's cart. Cart 11. And you got treats? Yeah. Okay, here, read it. It says, wow, you guys are good treasure hunters. As a reward, here is a treat for your effort from your #1 fan, A. And we got a full thing of Twizzlers, like a full-on pack. Who in the neighborhood would do this? I know, but this is really nice, whoever A is.
Let's take it home and look at all the notes.
Yeah.
Because nobody even showed up.
Yeah, I feel there's more to it than just this.
Thank you, A, if you're watching. That was nice.
Okay, let's take it home.
Yeah, I don't understand. Like, how did they know that cart 11 would be like mine and Jake's cart?
That means they were around here. Did you see anybody looking at you weird?
No, I didn't.
Everybody?
Notice. I don't know. Okay, guys. So we made it back home. We have the 3 notes. I think we should look at them and compare. Let's see. This one was the first one. And
Are
this
they all
one,
in the same handwriting?
they all look the same. So I've noticed in each one of them there's a word that's always gray. Yeah, but I don't know
I didn't notice that. Wait, but not in this one.
The A is gray,
Oh, that's true.
Good
I didn't
sword.
catch that. Good eyes. Wow. I didn't catch that.
but I don't know why.
Maybe it's clue
What is this?
to our next treasure.
It looks like a heart. Oh, that looks like a goldfish.
Okay.
A goldfish.
Well, I wish they had said hi or met us. That's
know.
weird. I don't know why they. And how did they get it up on the ride?
I don't know. Are all the backs?
That's kind of weird.
The backs are different. Oh, the backs.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Yeah.
Wait, what do you think of this?
This is kind of similar too.
Well, Logan can probably smell.
Logan, what is it?
Whoever gave
Logan,
it
do you
to
smell
us.
it? Logan, do you smell it? Smell it. Wait, Logan, smell it. Smell it.
These
Logan,
are-
Logan,
yeah,
right here,
that's
smell it.
Okay, Logan's
like-
given
he's
no
like, no.
clues as to
Logan's
scent.
like, I don't know.
So he's
you
either
gonna smell it?
not
Wait,
smelling
smell
it, or he just isn't picking up on a scent.
Yeah.
Wait,
smell
let's.
That's weird.
Well, we'll have to study this and see if we can find out anything different.
Wait, this is so food store A.
Yeah, so
That's our
if
A.
you guys know who sent this, I guess give us
Great.
clues.
That's all
Yeah,
great.
comment down below if you know
Food
who might have sent
source?
this.
Food store.
A food source. I don't even know. A food source.
Oh, it's
A food source.
Soar? But it says soar, not source.
Yeah, but add the S.
Okay, now we're just
Source.
making up stuff.
Well, what else could it be?
A full source.
I don't know.
If we want to change letters.
I don't know. Well, I think we
This
should
makes
keep these
sense.
just in case.
Yeah, let's keep those.
Wait, Logan.
Wait, what happens if the gray meant like to another treasure hunt?
Dun, dun,
That's cool, but they gave us licorice, so I
Yeah.
don't think so.
Licorice.
That would be cool though.
I think
Wait,
it's
I
just like a
don't know.
scavenger hunt. I don't know. I'm confused.
Yeah, I think it was a scavenger hunt too. So thank you, whoever
Yeah.
sent it. That was cool.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share, and
Hit the bell.
And make today an adventure. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.